Hello, everyone. Once again, welcome back to English Listening Podcast. This is the final part of your motivational journey. In previous parts, we talked about motivation and belief, daily habits, discipline and consistency, dreams and confidence, and overcoming fear. Now, in part 5, we will talk about the power of gratitude, staying motivated for life, important life lessons, and a strong final motivational message. So let's begin. The first thing is the power of gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful. Many people focus only on what they do not have. They complain about problems. They forget to appreciate what they already have. But grateful people feel happier. They feel stronger. They feel more motivated. Every day, think about what you are thankful for. For example, be thankful for your health, your family, your education, your opportunities, and your dreams. Even small things matter. A simple meal, a good friend, a peaceful day. Gratitude changes your thinking. It turns negative thoughts into positive ones. Try this simple habit. Every night before sleeping, say, "Today I am thankful for," and name three things. This habit creates peace in your mind. Motivation is not only for one day, it is for life. Some days you feel strong, some days you feel weak. That is normal. But do not stop. Even when motivation is low, take small actions. Small actions keep your journey moving. Remember, motivation grows with action, not with waiting. Do not wait for the perfect time. Start today. Start now. Start with what you have. Patience is the ability to wait calmly. Many people want success quickly. They want results immediately. But real success takes time. Just like a tree grows slowly, success also grows slowly. You cannot rush growth. You must give time. You must give effort. You must give patience. If results are slow, do not quit. Stay patient, stay calm, and stay focused. Your time will come. Let me share a famous story. A farmer planted a bamboo seed. He watered it every day. Weeks passed, nothing grew. Months passed, still nothing. Years passed, still nothing. But he continued watering. After 5 years, suddenly the bamboo grew very fast. In just a few weeks, it became very tall. Why? Because the roots were growing underground. Strong roots create strong growth. Just like that, your hard work may not show results immediately, but inside, you are growing stronger. Learning should never stop. Successful people always learn. They read books, they listen to podcasts, they ask questions, they improve their skills. Learning creates growth, growth creates success. No matter your age, keep learning. Every day is a chance to learn something new. For example, a new English word, a new skill, a new idea, a new lesson. Learning keeps your mind active. It keeps your life exciting. Sometimes people are too hard on themselves. They blame themselves for mistakes. They feel guilty. They feel disappointed. But remember, you are human. Mistakes are natural. Growth takes time. So be kind to yourself. Encourage yourself. Speak positive words to yourself. Say, I am improving, I am learning, I am growing. Self kindness builds confidence, and confidence builds success. Helping others creates happiness. When you support others, you feel stronger. Encourage your friends. Help your family. Share your knowledge. Even small help matters. For example, teach someone a new word. Encourage someone feeling sad. Share helpful advice. Kindness spreads positivity, and positivity creates motivation. Before we end this podcast, let us remember some powerful life lessons. Believe in yourself, never give up, learn from failure, stay disciplined, keep practicing, stay patient, stay grateful, keep learning, stay positive, and help others. These lessons can change your life, not in one day, but slowly, step by step. Now, before we close, I want you to listen carefully. You are stronger than you think. You are capable of great things. Your dreams matter, your efforts matter, and your journey matters even if life feels difficult, even if people doubt you, even if you fail many times. So never give up. Success may be slow, but it will come. Keep walking, keep trying, keep believing. Your future is waiting, and you have the power to create it. So, thank you so much for listening to this motivation podcast. Believe in yourself and never give up. I hope this podcast inspired you. I hope it gave you strength, and I hope it helped you improve your English listening skills. Remember, every day is a new opportunity. Every step matters. Every effort counts. So keep learning, keep growing, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for being the part of English Listening Podcast. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching till the end. Do not forget to check the description section where you will find all the vocabulary words, their Hindi and English meanings, and example sentences for easy learning.